here is the box. And here is, let's put the box down. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tatika, an esthetician and lash artist, and today it's just gonna be fun, right? I just wanted to share with you guys some things I picked up from Lost Artistry Lash. Y'all know, not the things. I just want to show you guys really quickly some things I picked up from their 20% off sale that they just had. This is their biggest sale behind their Black Friday sale. So 20% off. You got to jump on 20% off. I feel like 15 is my sweet spot, and you start going up and you beat me every time. Now I do want to stop here and say I normally don't do hauls. So I'm gonna figure out something else to call this, because I feel like haul is just screaming excessive consumerism, and I'm just not about that life. But if you are a new lash artist, or if you're a lash artist period, I think these products will really be beneficial for you. So that's really why I'm sharing. So I'll have to figure out some type of title for this video that is searchable but makes me feel good. So anyways, let's jump into. Okay, so the first thing that I got is their lash games, which I think what I'll do is I'll like put up little small pictures of it. I do not want to open these because this one is for my guest. I did buy 2 of these. This is their lash serum and their brow serum, and I wanted to pick this up so that I could retail it for my clients, but I did pick up 2 because I'm going to be trying out one, and then I'll have one for my clients, because I always like to be able to say, yes, I've tried it, yes, it works, when I'm recommending products to my customers, although it's Lost Artistry Lash, so I have no doubt I'm going to love it. But the reason why I wanted to pick this up and retail it here in my shop is because I do feel like a lash serum is very beneficial. You know, like at the end of the day, we are putting things on our lashes, and yes, if you have a good lash artist, they're going to keep the natural lash health in mind. But honestly, to me, it's just like anything else, especially if you already started out with weak lashes. Why not put a serum on there, you know? And even if you have strong lashes, why not keep them nice and healthy by aiding them with a lash serum? So I really wanted to have something that I could highly recommend and stand behind, that I could retail for my clients. And of course, Lost Artistry Lash was my go-to. The next thing I picked up is their Bondage Adhesive. I believe this is their quickest one. This one has a dry time of 1 to 2 seconds. I hope I'm saying that right. If not, I'll put it up on the screen. But this is their 1 to 2 second dry time glue. The reason why I wanted to pick this up is because your girl is experiencing some situations where she knocking it out, okay? She has advanced from a beginner, you know, a beginner adhesive where it's got like 4 to 6 seconds dry time. She's kind of moving on in. Right now I have a 3 to 4 second adhesive that works pretty good for me, but I've just noticed in some situations, especially when I'm like 3rd client in of the day, your girl be floating, and I just needed a glue or an adhesive that was a little bit quicker to kind of work with my pace, so I'm not like holding, you know, keeping everything isolated and holding it for a second. It kind of adds time to the service. So I'm excited that I've advanced, and of course, you know, I had to get some Lost Artistry Lash. Now the next thing I picked up is their L Curl lashes, and like I said, I'll put some separate footage here of this up close, but this is the L Curl. I've gotten it in, I believe I got it in 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. I love me an L Curl. I love an L Curl lash, especially for my clients with deep set eyes, with hooded eyes. An L Curl does a little something that I think no other lash does. I also think that an L Curl is absolutely beautiful when it comes to clients with glasses on. A D curl or an L Curl, no issues with the glasses from any of mine. So I picked up a bunch of theirs. I love their pre-made bands. Come at me, okay? I use ProMades, okay? Y'all can kiss my hind part. All these, I ain't gonna go into it. We're gonna keep this light and healthy, but stop judging people, okay? Stop judging other lash artists. You don't get paid any differently for making handmade fans, and your clients don't care. As long as you get some high quality pre-mades, do your thing, girl. Stop hating on everybody. Leave the judgment to them other fields. Lash artists, we We support each other. You can do however you want to do as long as you get in the end result. You make it magic, because it still takes the skill to isolate and to do all that other kind of stuff. So come at me. Picked up some L Curl Promades. Now I also picked up 2 of the Ultra Dark Pre-Fans. This is one of their newest releases. Look at this packaging. Is that not absolutely beautiful? And this is how it, there is something about a fresh Pro-Made tray that just does it for me. So this is the Ultra Dark. So these are gonna be like dark, and I cannot wait to try this in a hybrid set for some of my ladies who want that. They don't want to have to put on mascara, but they're not about that volume life. So I just cannot wait to try this in like a hybrid set to give them that darkness, but to still give them, you know, that natural look that they want to go for. I apologize. I got the Ultra Dark in 4D. That's what this is. So 4D fans, 0.07, and this is C Curl 8 to 15 mix. And then I got another one. This one I think is D Curl. Oh, no. Okay, so I got both of them. So this one is 3D, and this is the 0.7, and this is also in the C mix, which I'm pretty sure is 8 to 15 as well. Yeah, so the reason why whenever I use my Promades, I like to have anything from a 2D all the way up to like a 6D. I don't do mega volume just yet, so 6D is kind of where I stop. But I like having the mixture of the fan so that I can't adjust per lash. You know, sometimes there's a lash that just can't take a 4D, so I'm going to go with the 2D, maybe a 3D. You know, or maybe there's a lash that's really, really strong and it can handle a 6D with no problem. So I like having lots of different curls and lots of different dimensions and lots of different diameters on hand as well. So yes, it can get a little bit expensive, but I use them and I love, they help me speed up my service, which helps in turn, helps me earn more money. So I love the pre-made or pro-made fans. I will say, especially when it comes to the L Curl, number one, not all L Curls are the same. I picked up some L Curl from a different brand and they're much more straight. They have the straight out and then they go up, but theirs was straight out and then almost at an angle, whereas the Lost Artistry Lash curl goes out and then it has this beautiful curl that goes up. My client really loves these. So I'm sticking to Lost Artistry Lash. You just understand, especially even if you're mixing curls, not all curls are the same depending on the brand you get them from. So let's say a Lost Artistry Lash C curl might not be the same as another brand C curl. So just be careful when you're kind of mixing curls. I found this out myself. Sometimes it still blends beautifully, but just be aware of it. I really noticed with L Curl more than anything else. Oh, and I don't think I mentioned in the L Curls that I got, these are 6D, and these are in the 0.7, and then like I said, I got 9 through 13 in the L Curl. And you know, as I mentioned before, I just like having, I already have some 3D L Curl, some 4D L Curl, some 5D L Curl, some 6D L Curl. So I really like having that variety there so I can really adjust per lash that I'm working with, but still giving them the beautiful look that they're going for. So that is all that I picked up. Like I said, this was part of their 20% off sale, which was huge. I also want to say though, if you purchase one of their training programs, you guys know that I did the pre-fan mini course, which I'll have linked for you guys. I did a full review on it, loved it, made me fall in love with their training courses. So I did go ahead and take the full on volume course, and coming soon. There's a review coming soon on that one. It's a lot of good material, so it's taken me a little bit longer to get through it, but great, robust, just really good programs. But where I was going was, if you purchased any of their courses, you get 10% off for life. So every time I place an order, I automatically get 10% off. Now this 20% was beautiful, but just think about every single time you order for them, and I order for them a lot, you're always getting 10% off. So that's huge. And if you buy a mini course first and then dive into their full course, then that money does go towards the money you paid on the mini course does go towards the full on course. So just keep those things in mind. I just love how they're always giving back to their customers and to their clients. And honestly, they give so much free information away on their YouTube and their Instagram and their IGTV and their TikTok. They give away so much free information. How do you not want to support them? Plus, their customer service is amazing. So anyways, like I said, those were the items that I picked up from the 20% off sale. You guys know I love me some Lost Artistry Lash. I will put their website down below in case you want to pick anything up. And then I will also make sure that I put maybe their Instagram or something down there, because once you get a taste, once you get a little taste, you will be coming back for more. So I hope this information helps someone else out there. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up. And while you're here on my channel, take a look around, see what your girl has to offer. And if you're liking what you're seeing, hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.